Now, a boat like that would at least cost you around 50,000 euros, which is almost 45 lakh. And this is the boat of my friend.
So this is where the tour starts, because from here, the wheelhouse, this is where you drive the boat. Actually, it's a bit like a car, but different, like a big car. But the basics are exactly the same. So this is the wheel. This is the thing where you steer the boat with. And this is like the throttle for going faster, going forward, faster, neutral. A stern or back, it's called the stern instead of reverse after that. And I'm near. So but this is what you can, from down here you can drive the boat. And with this little thing here, you manipulate the engine, which is downstairs in the engine room. So that's where we're going now, the engine room. But I have to warn you guys, it's really messy.
I like messy.
What's so fun about messy?
Because he does it all the time. He
Yes.
creates mess.
Good.
That's right. And this is radio system, by the way.
Oh yeah, right. So this is called VHF, very high frequency. All big boats and authorities, like the police, the water police, picks up this signal. It can read out how long is the boat, who owns the boat, how many crew members are on board, and where's he heading to, where does he come from, and does she comply with all the rules and regulations. And at the same time, I can read it out too, and I can see what sort of boats are passing by, and I can connect it to an electronic map, like Google something, and you can see yourself moving on the map and see what all the ships are there. But this is the main engine.
This is the main engine. This was installed last year, I guess, yeah?
Yeah,
When you
it's super small. In fact, it's a little bit too small for this size of boat. There used to be a big engine about this size.
Oh yeah, only.
And about this long from here until down there. This is like the gearbox, you know, when I showed you this lever where you can move forward and backward, that maneuvers. That's this little handle manipulates this cable, and when it's pushing that way, going forward, neutral. Now it's in neutral, backward is that way, and this here is the shaft that goes all the way out of the boat. Down there is outside of the boat,
And
and that's the propeller.
Yeah.
The schroef. That's down there. Behind you is the diesel tank.
This one.
I know the round white tank.
This one.
That's
Diesel.
filled with diesel.
That's
Diesel benzine.
Brand stove.
Yeah. So benzine. And this one is water.
Yeah.
So it's one of the way that we use a lot of water.
Yeah. It gives water, and this is inverter, which converts the direct electricity into alternative converter. Or
Yeah.
back.
If we're on the way,
Mm-hmm.
oh wait.
Okay.
I can switch from this is like shore power.
Yeah.
If it's on one, and
Yeah.
if I switch it on two, it's
Yeah.
on battery power.
So I'm now going to love this cat. Yeah.
This is our little, but this is my brother's actually, but this one is ours. And if we're at anchor, I mean, it's difficult to get ashore, right? So we leave the boat at anchor, and then we use this little boat to row ashore.
Yeah.
That's the anchor.
Ooh.
Down.
Up and down.
Yeah.
I can smell some very nice food. Yum, 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 yum. A lovely kitchen, huh? So well decorated by Sarah and Boss. Now Kostop gonna sail a little couple times.
Benen allebei aan die kant. En dan neem je het stuur.
Ja, waar moet ik heen gaan?
We gaan rechtuit die kant op.
Eh,
Dus
hoe-